According to latest media reports, the Navy has reported a host of problems in the second Scorpion submarine, and the project has now slipped by at least one more year. The Indian Navy has refused to commission the submarine into service until all the defects and deficiencies are fully rectified. The Defense Ministry has fully supported the Navy's insistence that Mazagon Dock Limited and its French technology partner Naval Group should deliver a fully seaworthy and combat-worthy vessel. The most worrying problem that the Navy has discovered during the sea trials was that the engines and propellers were emitting an unduly high level of noise, which can be easily picked by enemy sonar detectors mounted on maritime planes, ships and submarines. Apart from the noise, the Navy has pointed out 35 other defects and has demanded it to be rectified before it commissions the submarine. Several media reports from the past few months had suggested that the Indian Air Force planned to integrate Israeli IDB air-to-air systems with the Su-30 fleet by 2022, in view of the limited range of the R-77 systems currently fielded on the fighter jet. As per latest media reports, the Indian Defense Ministry requires Russia's permission to make changes in the frontline fighter jet of the Indian Air Force, and as per the licensed technical documentation, any modification to integrate non-Russian systems requires the permission of the manufacturer. MBDA's Mica and Meteor cannot be integrated with the Su-30 because of restrictions of the French government. Russian media has reported that Pakistan is looking for Russian defense systems, and there is a large number of platforms that Russia can offer, including T-90 main battle tanks, MiG-35 fighter jets, and Russian air defense systems. Top Russian expert has said that Pakistan is an emerging defense trade market, and its demand for Russian systems may amount to $9 billion in coming years, and the country is also interested on building military-to-military ties with Russia. He also added that procuring the sophisticated S-400 could not be affordable for Pakistan, and they might opt for shorter-range systems like the Pantsir S2. The Indo-Israeli joint venture firm Adani Elbit Advanced Systems might have landed its first export order, being part of a $180 million contract between Elbit Systems and the government of Philippines, which includes Hermes 900 and Hermes 450 for long-range missions, and Skylark 1 and Skylark 3 tactical UAVs for real-time observation. According to reports, some of the UAVs to be supplied to the Philippines Army will be produced by the Indo-Israeli joint venture, which opened its production facility in India in December 2018. The Indian Navy has reached out to the industries in North India for indigenization of spare parts and components for its aircraft. This move comes in the wake of depleted product support for older generation aircraft, combined with large dependence on foreign vendors, leading to maintenance and sustenance issues. A naval aviation roadmap has been prepared for the next 5 years to indigenize more than 550 components, including flight-critical and non-flight critical items. In retaliation to the US decision of significantly hiking customs duties on certain Indian products, India has decided to impose additional custom duties on 29 American products, which will come into effect from June 16, and India would get about $217 million additional revenue from such imports. India has also informed the US about its decision to go ahead with the retaliatory duties.